Alright guys, it's that time of year again. We are headed to Texas. This year, Jen and Wiley are coming with us. I'm really excited. We stopped to fuel up and run in and use the restroom. Then we got about 300 miles left to Texas. All right, we're all set up at the Speedway. Got everything cleaned up and set up. Spent 8 months convincing these guys to come out here and join us for this show. And now Lindsay's gonna go park somewhere else. Is that messed up?
Now they're gonna abandon us.
Yeah.
Abandon us.
Lindsay actually got invited to demo her truck at the Sweet Patina booth, which she's so excited about. And yeah, so they're gonna do some demonstration, probably do half the hood. And so everybody can see the difference in how good this stuff makes it look. That's what we love, is that it smells so good. You're just doing half of it, right?
Well,
Yeah, I'm gonna use that for a demo in case somebody comes up.
Yeah.
It ain't never been tuned. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's both stock.
All right, guys, everybody headed out to the drag strip. And we're not gonna race ours, but we are gonna go watch. So let's go watch some drag racing.
And they're off. It's gonna be in the big end. He wrote it down.
Here's Summit Racing Equipment, Friday Night Drag for the C10 National. Smoked at the end, the right lane, ladies and gentlemen. That right lane.
Oh, I want it so bad. Alright guys, well unfortunately the show is over. We had an absolute blast. Did you guys have fun?
Absolutely.
So much fun.
Alright, so if you guys don't already know him, this is Wiley with Working with Wiley, Jen. They have a channel together called Our Mountain Home. And then of course you know my gang. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you to my members for supporting my channel. I love you and we'll see you in the next one.